Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
There are many health benefits associated with snorkeling. Snorkeling uses all of the major muscle groups, including the legs, arms, core, and back. This makes it an excellent exercise for overall muscle strength and tone. Swimming against the resistance of the water can help to build muscle strength. This is especially true if you use swim fins while snorkeling. If you are looking for a new activity to try, consider snorkeling. Friendship is a vital part of life and should be adored. Good friends can help you live a healthier, happier, and longer life. So cherish your friendships and be surrounded by good friends. Good health is just one of the several benefits that come from having great friends. Spending time at the beach can be good for your health. The fresh air and relaxation can help improve your mood and mental well-being. Moreover, the sun exposure can help enhance your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is critical for bone health, immune function, and more. Only be certain to wear sunscreen to protect your skin. While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can in fact have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can increase your risk of cancer and other diseases.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.